Hello, this is Professor Andrews, and I'm introducing you to the coefficient of friction lab. And first I want to call your attention to the balance that you use for weighing things. I want you to realize that that balance has 4 buttons. Now, let's see if we can do this. The first button turns it on, okay? The second button, which has a label M, changes units. So it starts out with grams, it goes on to ounces, it goes on to fluid ounces, it goes on to other units that I am not even sure I know what they are. So you can push it. There are 6 different units available. You want to leave it on grams. There is another button on your balance, and it is labeled PCT. That's a part count. You don't want to worry about that. That's not something you'll be using in physics lab. Okay? It is something that you can use in the kitchen, and if you're a manufacturing engineer, you may be counting parts in order to get an average weight. Finally, there is a button with a T. That's a button that tears. Tear means to set to 0. So for example, let's say we're going to weigh something and it's going to be sticky, like a big piece of watermelon. Okay? I don't want to get that sticky watermelon fluid all over this balance. So I put the small tray on it, and then I will set the watermelon in that. Okay? But notice that when I did that, that tray is 20 grams. I want to assume that the tray is 0. So I push the T, which tears the balance, and sets it to be 0 with the tray on it. Now, I don't really have a big piece of sticky watermelon, but I do have a can of tomato sauce. So I'm going to put it on and we'll see what it weighs. Okay? That is 264.5 grams. Okay? That's 0.2645 kilograms. And that means that we have something that's about 1/4 of a kilogram on there, so 0.25. So that's an object, and that's what it weighs. Notice when I take it off, I have it back to the tear state. When I put it on, I weigh it again. That's how you use your balance.